Grinding Hub 2026 to unite global experts for the future of grinding technology. Grinding Hub will be held in Stuttgart from the 5th to the 8th of May 2026. Organized by VDW, Messe Stuttgart, the Grinding Conference, and Swissmen. The event will feature a wide range of grinding machines, abrasives, software tools, process peripherals, and measuring and test systems. Panasonic backs solar ambitions with renewed focus in India. Panasonic Electric Works. India and Panasonic Life Solutions India have reaffirmed their commitment to India's growing solar energy sector, following Panasonic North America's decision to discontinue its solar and battery storage business line. UIF and Praj unite to deliver a full-spectrum bioplastic solution. Two global leaders join forces to advance sustainable bioplastics and drive eco-friendly manufacturing. Global online event, directly from the field. Eplan's global online event, Eplan Live on 14 May, will be hosted from Eaton's facility in Hengelo, Netherlands. In just 2.5 hours, attendees will get a first-hand look at how Eaton has optimized its engineering and manufacturing processes for maximum efficiency. The event will also showcase new ideas, proven solutions for productivity, and updates on Eplan's portfolio and strategies. Signy Energy introduces a battery energy storage system gigafactory for EVs and grid storage. Signy Energy has opened the first phase of its battery energy storage system gigafactory at the Electronics Manufacturing Cluster in Maheshwaram. The facility, constructed to LEED standards, can produce 4.8 gigawatt-hours of high-capacity battery packs for grid-scale storage systems and electric vehicles.